Welcome to this video on the Ugandan Shilling, exploring the evolution of Uganda's national currency. The official ISO code is UGX, or 800. Let's explore the unique language of the shilling. It's written as X/Y, where X is shillings and Y is cents. An equals sign or a hyphen indicates 0 cents. For instance, 100/equals means 100 shillings and 0 cents, while 0 shillings and 50 cents. Before the shilling, the regional standard was the East African shilling, which was the currency of British East Africa until 1969. The introduction of the Ugandan shilling was a crucial step toward full currency independence. The first shilling was introduced in 1966 by the Bank of Uganda Currency Board, replacing the East African shilling at exactly 1-to-1 par. The first coins ranged from 5 cents to 2 shillings, and notes were printed in 5, 10, 20, and 100 denominations. The composition of early Ugandan coins varied by value. Low values were struck in heavy bronze. Higher values were struck in shiny cupro-nickel. A numismatic rarity is the withdrawn 1972 cupro-nickel 5-shilling coin. Uganda's inflation history saw high inflation erode the value of small coins, and cent subdivisions eventually lost all practical value. By 1985, the Bank of Uganda was forced to introduce the 5,000/equals note to keep pace. The 1987 currency reset balanced the scales for the second shilling. The code shifted from UGS to the new UGX. The conversion rate was 100 old shillings for 1 new shilling, creating a foundation for a more stable economic future. The second shilling introduced new metals and unique geometries. In 1987, copper-plated steel and stainless steel coins were introduced. Notably, the 5/equals and 10/equals coins were curved equilateral heptagons. The 1998 update saw the introduction of modern 50/equals to 500/equals coins. Ugandan coins celebrate national fauna. The 50/equals coin features the Ankole Watusi cattle. The 200/equals coin depicts the massive Nile perch, and the 500/equals and 1000/equals coins showcase the East African crowned crane. Paper money has faced challenges over the years. Between 1987 and 2003, notes up to 50,000/equals were gradually introduced. However, lower denominations experience heavy wear and tear, leading to constant evaluation to replace low notes with more durable coins. The 2010 banknote redesign harmonized cultural elements. Features include woven mat patterns, traditional basketry, a profile of a man in Karimojong headdress, the Independence Monument, and a map of Uganda featuring the equator. The advanced Spark Security banknote uses optical technology to combat counterfeiting. Uganda was the first African country to use Spark, deploying it on a regular banknote series for maximum protection. This optical feature is globally recognized. The current denominations in circulation are often referred to as the Rainbow Fleet. These include the 50,000 equals yellow, 20,000 equals red, 10,000 equals purple, 5,000 equals green, 2,000 equals blue, and 1,000 equals brown notes. In the modern global market, the shilling is remarkably stable with low exchange spreads. It predominates in almost all local financial transactions. The currency is tightly managed by the Bank of Uganda to control inflation and is widely accepted for international trade. The Ugandan shilling is more than just commerce. It is an enduring identity and a reflection of the nation. From the 1966 bronze coins to the high-tech notes of today, the shilling remains a daily testament to national resilience.